Why does your stomach growl when you're hungry? Let's break it down. That rumbling sound is called borborygmi. It happens because of peristalsis, a series of muscle contractions in your digestive system. Even when your stomach is empty, these contractions continue, moving air and digestive juices through your gut. Without food to absorb the noise, you get that classic growling. And here's the kicker. When you're hungry, your brain releases a hormone called ghrelin. This tells your stomach to start preparing for food, making those contractions even stronger. So, growling equals air plus muscle contractions plus hunger hormones. Now you know. Like and subscribe for more quick science bites.